What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to manage the big chunk of the documents while you add those into the sources of your notebook LM. So there are some limitations to it, but before we hit to it, we have to access the notebook LM. The link to the notebook LM is in the description below. This is the page that where you will drop in once you logged in. Just access the notebook that you want to access. There are some limitations when you try to upload your big documents to the notebook LM. For the free tier resources, there are 50 sources limit on the free tier, and 200 MB if you are pro or max tier plan users. You can maximize per sources. You can maximize the upload to up to 200 MB. You cannot upload file more than 200 MB. So, and also there is a word count for the PDFs as well. Like you can add 500,000 words per PDF. So if you're uploading a document that has more than 500,000 of word, page limit, there is no page limit. There is just file size and the file word limit. So 500,000 is the file word limit and 200 MB is the file size limit. So make sure that if you have a file that is more than 200 MB or probably like 300 MB, you can divide it into two chunks of 150 each. Or if you have like 100 1 million word count per file, you can divide it into 500,000 each, or maybe into three different ones of like 33 333,000, 333,000, and 334,000 for the three different files. So this is pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one.